Hey, this is Farhan. Today I will represent our data communication and business final project, which is online shopping. This project has been done by me, Shawali, Ramesh Ansari, Abdul Nasir, Ahmed Hijazi, and Abra Idris. First, I would like to talk about the briefing about our project. Okay, the briefing. The project we have worked on it, we call it Cool Online Shopping. It's also known as e-tail from electronic retail or e-shopping. It's a form of electronic shopping which allows consumers to directly buy goods or service from a seller over the internet using a web browser or a mobile application. The business is centralized in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which the network size is LAN. We sell clothes, fashion, and IT products. Uh, Basically, we use a public data network over here, and the customers can get information by advertisements, social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and information page on our website. The introduction about our online shopping. Online shopping is a process whereby consumers directly buy goods, services, and so on from a seller interactively in real time without an intermediary service over the internet. Online shopping is the process of buying goods and services from merchants who sell on the internet. Since the emergence of the World Wide Web, merchants have sought to sell their products to people who serve the internet. Shoppers can visit web stores from the comfort of their homes and shop as they sit in front of the computer. Consumers buy a variety of items from online stores. In fact, people can purchase just about anything from companies that provide their products online. Books, clothing, households, toys, appliances, hardware, software, and health insurance are just some of the hundreds of products consumers can buy from an online store. Many people choose to conduct shopping online because of the convenience. For example, when a person shops at a brick and mortar store, she has to drive to the store, find a parking place, and walk throughout the store until she locates the product she needs. After finding the item she wants to purchase, she may often need to stand in a long line at the cash register. Despite the convenience of online shopping, not everyone chooses to purchase items and services online. Some people like the idea of physically going to a store and experiencing the shopping process. They like to touch the merchandise, try on clothing, and be around other people. Online shopping doesn't permit shoppers to touch products or have any social interaction. It also doesn't allow them to take their merchandise home the same day they buy it. Online shopping allows you to browse through endless possibilities and even offers merchandise that's unavailable in stores. If you are searching for a product that may not be distributed locally, you are sure to find what you are looking on the internet. What's even more successful is the ability to compare items similar or not online. You can search through multiple stores at the same time, comparing material quality, sizes, and pricing simultaneously. Shopping via the internet eliminates the need to shift through stores. Products with potential buyers like pants, shirts, belts, and shoes are slung over one arm. Online shopping also eliminates the catchy yet irritating music as well as the hundreds, if not thousands, of other like-minded individuals who seem to have decided to shop on the same day. The days when you stood in line waiting and waiting and waiting, some more for a store clerk to finally check out your items. Online shopping transactions occur instantly, saving your time to get your other events done. Additionally, unlike a store, online shopping has friendly customer service representatives available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you with locating, purchasing, and shipping your merchandise. The project objective. The project objective is on the online shopping application. It is developed using HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, JSP, servlets. The application is very useful where the buyer can directly buy the products from home by internet on mobile system. The application reduces a lot of work load for customers as well as owner. The transaction of money is completed in the real-time system. Some of the online shops are online shopping. By this online shopping, the product is directly delivered to customer home. Alright, proper system. The development of the system, the application contains the following activities. Number 1, profile management facility for customers in a secure manner. Number 2, all the products are accessed through email like kitchen, accessories, food items. Number 3, shopping chart is also created for customers for total amount checking. Number 4, recent offers updates to customers via mail. And the last, about most of them purchased are shown. Importance of this project. Number 1, personalization. Consumers shop with the same retailer in different ways. Data from these multiple touchpoints should be processed in real time to offer the shopper a personalized experience, including content and promotions. For example, do not treat loyal customers the same as new ones. The experience needs to be personalized to the word loyal customers. It should look attractive and sticky for new customers. Number 2, dynamic pricing. You need dynamic pricing if your product competes on price with other sites. This requires tracking data from multiple sources such as competitor pricing, product sales, regional preferences, and customers' actions to determine the right price to close the sale. Large merchants like Amazon already support this functionality. Overcoming this challenge will give your business a huge competitive advantage. Number 3, customer service. Excellent customer service is critical to the success of an e-commerce site. Zippos and Netflix are examples of terrific customer service. But big data has made customer service a challenge by requiring seemingly every interaction with the shopper to be used for serving that shopper. To continue to excel at customer service, online retailers need to overcome this challenge. For example, if a customer has complained via the content on your online store and also tweeted about it, it will be good to have this background when he calls customer service. This will result in the customer feeling valued, creating a quicker resolution. Number 4, managing fraud. Larger data sets help increase fraud detection, but it requires the right infrastructure to detect fraud in real time. This will lead to a safer environment to run your business and improved profitability. Most online retailers need to process their sales transactions against a defined fraud pattern for detection. If it's not done in near real time, it could be too late for catch the fraud people or the fraudsters. Number 5, supply chain visibility. Customers expect to know the exact availability status and location of their orders. This can get complicated for retailers if multiple third parties are involved in the supply chain. But it is a challenge that needs to be overcome to keep customers happy. A customer who has purchased a back-ordered product will want to know the status. This will require your e-commerce, warehousing, and transportation functions to communicate with each other and with any third-party systems in your supply chain. This functionality is the best implemented by making small changes gradually. Number 6, predictive analytics. Analytics is crucial for online retailers, regardless of size. Without analytics, it is difficult to sustain your business. Big data has helped business identify events before they occur. This is called predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is becoming an important tool for many businesses. A good example of this is predicting the revenue from a certain product in the next quarter. Knowing this, a merchant can better manage its inventory costs and avoid key out-of-stock products. The business environment. Number one, internal environment. Since our company, the Cool Shopping, would have a stock center for the goods, there may be staff and managers. The staff and managers should follow the company policy and rules. The style of leadership which would be applied in the company must be according to the company's politics and culture. Online shopping would provide service in all parts of Malaysia. The company mission statement in saving your time and money by shopping online. Number two, external environment. According to the competitive environment of our company, should provide services in an effective way in order to have a long life. Since hackers are one of the most dangerous external factors to our company, the company must have a good security and privacy. A company must save environment from the customers so that they can trust the company. Business background with the mapping. Okay. As a chart, the middle one is our company. The customers can browsing the website, just buy the products, input the payment system by inputting the credit card or debit card numbers, and our shipment is 24/7. It will be on deliver on time to the customer. This is the process flowchart. This is all the process over here. Okay, the discussion about the flowchart. In order to purchase goods, the customer should enter the website, find the items that they want, select the items, and add the item to shopping cart they want. They can stop shopping, either continue shopping or check out. If they check out, then they should fill in order and select the payment type, cash on delivery if available, Visa card, etc. After that, the customer have to confirm and submit the order. The last step for the customer is to pay and store shipping. After that, the company ships the item to the customer's address within a specified time. Alright, this is the website. The first one is the customer. The second one is the customer visits the website. Third one is the website. Fourth one is the customer select item, fill in the order, and complete the payment. Then sales manager. Sales manager analyze the order and ask the staff in charge of shipping to ship the product. Number 7, staff in charge of shipping gets the product from the stock. And the last one is the staff delivers the product to the customer. Okay, project analysis, study of the system. Modulus. The system, after careful analysis, has been identified to be presented with the following modulus. There are actually 3 modulus over here. The administrator, modulators, and the user. Administrator. The administrator is the super user of this application. Only admin have the access into this admin page. Admin may be the owner of the shop. The administrator has all the information about all the users and about all the products. The module is divided into different sub-modules. The first one will be the managed modulators. The second one will be the managed products. Third one will be the managed users. Fourth one will be the managed orders. This is the admin module. Admin can manage product, manage order, manage user, manage modulator. Alright. The managed modulator can search modulator, add modulator, remove modulator, block modulator. Okay. The managed product can add product, view product, and delete product. Okay. Managed user can add user, view user, delete user, or block or unblock users. Okay. Managed order can view order and delete order. Modulator can manage orders, manage users, and manage products. Okay. The user can search product, edit profile, purchase product, and view product. The first one is registration. A new user has to register in the system by providing essential details in order to view the products in the system. The admin must accept a new user by unblocking him. Login. A user must log in with his username and password to the system after registration. View products. User can view the list of products based on the names after successful login. With detailed description of a particular product, both product name, product details, product image, and price can be viewed by users. Search products. User can search for a particular product in the list by name. Add to chart. The user can add the desired product into his chart by clicking Add to chart option on the product. He can view his chart by clicking on the chart button. All products added by chart can be viewed in the chart, user can remove an item from the chart by clicking remove. Submit chart. After confirming the items in the chart, the user can submit the chart by providing a delivery address. On successful submitting, the chart will become empty. In the history, the user will have a view of pending orders. The edit profile, the user can view and edit the profile. The project deliveries. The document asks a diagrammatic representation of the diagram, a sitemap, a prototype of the system test report, a general project report, a fully developed functional online system, endowed with the following features: 5 unique templates, 12 to 20 appropriate pages, a database section that captures and stores all step and kind details, a gateway to e-commerce. This will automatically link the system database and the various international payment systems, for instance, MasterCard, American Express, and Visas. A design system nickname Just to Do It will be incorporated to facilitate routine checks and maintenance, temporary and conditional hosting for the purpose of the demonstration. Alright, challenges. We can have the method used by buyers to enter the system, the types of database allowed through a firewall, the paths or ways used by hackers to enter the system, the loopholes remaining in the system or website which are used by attackers, the server from where the viruses or hackers are gaining access to the system, the types of viruses able to affect the website, and with the implementation of firewall and other security mechanisms that are designed for it. Okay, this is the screenshots of our homepage. This is a cool online shopping, alright, done by the IIM students. And here we have the homepage, the shopping chart, the account, the sign-in option. Over here we have all the categories. Okay, after that, this is the sign-up screen. The user has to key in the sign-in button over here for sign-up. The user have to include the first name, last name with the email address as well for signing up a new profile. This is the admin panel that only can be viewed by the admin. Only admin has the access to have the panel, this panel. Okay, this is the admin panel, order screen as well. The admin can view the details, view the orders, view the users. Only admin has the access to view this kind of panels. This is the byproduct scheme. The screen after the user have added the products to the add to chat button, this page will appear. The user have to key in the information given over here. After that, this is the payment screen. The user have to key in the credit card number and the security code. After that, a pop-up message will appear that says, "Thank you. Your feedback is appreciated." Okay. Designing an IP address. This is the main design of our IP address. The default address will be 192.168.0.64. Basically, we have 2 rooms. Each room we got 6 pieces. For the first PC, the default address will be 192.168.0.65, and it continues to 70. Okay, the broadcast address will be 192.168.0.127, 192.168.0.121. For the room 2, we have 6 pieces as well. The default IP address for the PC7 is 192.168.0.129 to until 134 for the PC12. The broadcast address here is 192.168.0.255. Alright, this is the network implementation and simulation. This is the traffic received packets per second. As you can see, it received from 0 to until almost 600. Okay, here is the traffic sent packets per second. As you can see, it begins from 0 to until it's rapidly continuing from 600 to 650, 600 to 650, and sometimes it goes below to 555. Switches are faster and perform better. However, switches are costly and our company doesn't have enough money to go for only switches. We have decided to use the combination of switch and hubs for the structure of our system. Okay, the conclusion. In the conclusion, online shopping is very much similar to conventional non-store shopping. It is just a new method of non-store shopping. Furthermore, there is a network of factors explaining of a cool shopping which I have included below. This network is rather complicated to include all factors presented, but it is useful representation nonetheless. Okay, basically this is a normal chart for cool shopping. As you can see, the people who's gonna use our online shopping can have a computer experience and also can have an internet experience as well. So the frequency of the internet use will be increased. The internet session will be large. None other than the knowledge of the system will increase as well. So, but there are basically some risks over here. So it directly included the system knowledge to risk. And these risks are want to see the products and risk due to payment method. Alright, we can briefly describe factors explaining the internet shopping, the graph. Okay, the relationship between the factors are marked either negative or positive if applicable, or neither of them if the relationship is more complex. Tested relationships are printed in bold, concluded relationships not tested with normal arrows, and relationships that are hypothesized but either not supported by the survey or not surveyed at all are printed with a dotted arrow. Factors printed in a box with wide borders were included in the analysis of the survey results. From this network, we can conclude, for example, that internet experience is positively related with frequency of use, which in turn leads to increased probability of online shopping. So finally, we can say that being able to buy anytime, any place, anywhere provides exciting opportunities, not only for individual customers, but for the group as whole, and these benefits are likely to increase over time. For potential customers, the site enables them to browse before they shop and to research the product so that they have more confidence in what they are buying. Like all the best arrangements, there is something in it for all parties. This is our concept of our online shopping. Okay, thank you for watching this video.